Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a replacement motherboard specifically designed for the Dell Chromebook 3100, the EDB10 LA-G851P. This system board comes equipped with an Intel N4020 processor running at 1.1 GHz, featuring a dual-core setup, along with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of onboard storage. It's identified by the part number 0 N983V or N983V. Now, a crucial point to emphasize right off the bat. This particular motherboard is not suitable for the Chromebook 3100 2-in-1 model. So, double-check your device before making any purchase decisions. One of the first things that stands out is their emphasis on compatibility. They understand that swapping out a motherboard can be tricky, especially when part numbers get involved. If you're unsure whether this board is the right fit for your Chromebook, they encourage you to reach out to them. They'll help you verify compatibility and pinpoint the correct board for your specific laptop model. Speaking of part numbers, they stress the importance of verifying your laptop model, the motherboard board number itself, and the interface alignment. The part number is usually printed on the back of the motherboard, so that's the first place to look. Quality control seems to be a priority. They put all critical components through rigorous testing. This includes the ports, connections, and overall functionality of the board. This thorough testing aims to ensure reliability and seamless integration with your Chromebook. Another interesting aspect is the service tag customization. The motherboards ship with a default empty service tag. You have the option to provide your custom code for configuration purposes. However, it's worth noting that some boards might not support this modification, so keep that in mind. Finally, they offer installation support, which is a huge plus. If you run into any questions or issues during the installation process, they urge you to contact them immediately. They have technical assistance available to guide you through the process, aiming for a smooth and hassle-free experience. Swapping a motherboard can be daunting, so having that support is invaluable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.